here we come to the elevators at Aspire Tucson on the U of A campus here in Tucson, Arizona. We can only get a ride down since they're locked off, but thanks to someone who led us up here, we are able to take a ride down, which is really nice. This place is very secure. The only way to get up here is by having someone else who lives here let you up here. Priority service. This is really nice.
Buttons are blue in this one.
I love the blue Series 4.
Here it comes.
Here it comes. It's this one, I think.
Here it is.
This one's probably out of service. I think that one's out of service. Here we are. No voice. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Let's see how far we can go down. One is the only one that works. Door close button
We're
works.
gonna pick up some passengers.
I'm sure we are, because the other one seems to be broken.
Alright, full speed.
I mean, these run all right. Capacity 3,500 pounds. Otis fire service.
Looks like these only go like 1 to 1.5 meters a second.
Yeah, Otis Series 4. Actually, there's a Series 2, actually, I think. Here we are, one.
And that's it.
And, nope, no people. Here we are, one.
And that's it.
Here it goes, and that's gonna be it.